How to find app language settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find app language settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok. Here you will find profile, click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy. Scroll down, here you will find language, click on it, and now here you will find app language. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage app language. Just select any language you want and then click done, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.